description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I'm trying something really strange, and I was kind of at an impasse of how to review it, but ting! So, what do we have here? Ramen-Aid. It's not Kool-Aid, it's Ramen-Aid. And we're going to need a standard instant. We're going to use this creamy chicken, and yeah, we're going to cook this and add the Ramen-Aid to it, mainly because this is like such a standard flavor of stuff, and I'm so used to it that I think I'll notice if there's any change in flavor. I think that's kind of going to be the thing, is like, is this going to make it taste funny? Kind of deal. It takes 3 minutes. So, if you really want to watch it boil, I'd let you boil. But I want to... Here, let me throw this in too. I want to show you... Here, this is kind of interesting too. So this little box has all these little sachets in it, and they're pretty neat too. And look, they're about the same size, a little bit smaller, but it's got vitamins and minerals and electrolytic magical things, and that's what you do when you do it the way you do it. But the idea is that while ramen is delicious, there's a lot of things in it that aren't in it, and this kind of adds to that. So what you do with this stuff is you cook your noodles. When they're done, you sprinkle this in, add it to the broth, stir it up, and you get the health benefits out of it. This one has Electrolyte soup supplement with immune support. It says 6 key electrolytes, no flavorings, no sugar, 300 milligrams of vitamin C. God, that's tiny. I know there's a decent amount of potassium in here, which I think is really cool. I think it's like 470 mils. Oh wait, I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in here. There'll be full reviews and stuff. You can go to Ramen-Aid, ramen-aid.com, and you can find these, and you can definitely see it better than I can. Sucks being blind. Maybe it'll help with that. I don't know. I don't think it probably will, but, you know, anything's possible, I guess. Haha. But yeah, here's our... This is just your standard creamy chicken. We get flats of this because this is the kind my daughter likes the most. She's a big fan. She's a fan. She's a fan. She's a fan. God, it just won't stop. There have been like 2 songs that have invaded our household in the last like few months, or maybe month or 2. One of them is Pink Pony Club, and the other one is Not Like Us, Kendrick Lamar song. I didn't think at age 50 I'd be listening to Kendrick Lamar and Lady Gaga, but here we are. So, alright. So I want to do a detailed shot. First, I want to try this without seasoning. Or without this seasoning. So I need to have my baseline taste. So here is the broth. That's good. I've always liked this one. Okay. It's creamy chicken. And there is a tab here, right on the side. So we will pull the tab. By the way, thanks to Ramen-Aid for sending this over. This is really cool. And there it goes. There it is, right there. And you just stir it in. I'm not seeing any clumpiness. There's no sodium, I don't think. There's no, I think that, yeah, no sodium, no sugar, no MSG. It's just like straight supplement. So with that, honestly, I don't think it's going to have any change in flavor at all. Not that I can detect. I don't think so. That's not clumpiness, is it? Well, that's just noodles. Yeah, so it says that you get all these things, even though it's in hot water. But yeah, so I mean, it's kind of difficult because that's that, you know? It's just a little sachet, you add it, and it adds these aspects to your noodles. And as far as plating it, I really don't know what to do other than just show you what it looks like after it's been added. So I'm not gonna go crazy. Not today. I guess maybe I should go a little crazy. Maybe some scallion, I don't know. But it certainly. Okay, and I'm pouring it out. Yeah, there's no like residue or film on the bottom of the bowl that I'm seeing. That's a plus. But yeah, it tastes just like it should. So yeah. And I did do up all this stuff, so I should add some. It's like the last of my scallions. So we'll just add some right in the middle. But can do a little quick rotato, I suppose. There's really not much else to say about it other than this is a neat idea. I'm impressed. Cool. Very cool. Well, big thanks to Paul over at Ramen-Aid for sending that over. There's another variety that has caffeine in it that I'll be reviewing as well, and that'll be coming up soon. This next one, this is another one that came from James from Lakeside, California. This is Mama Noodles with their Thai context This is a braised pork flavor Thai boat noodle. I had the one that was a Tom Kha, and if it's anything, if this is as good as that, this is gonna be rad. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Go check out Ramen-Aid, ramen-aid.com, and check out Ramen-Aid. Have a good one. Bye-bye.